Now can I open it?
I don't know what happened. You were just.
Hello, can I open it?
Yeah, I'm recording. You got that. You got potato kitty.
Did you really?
Huh? It's a potato. I ate too many potatoes.
When you slice it up, you know what it turns into?
Mashed potatoes. Or fries.
Fries. You smush it up for mashed potatoes.
Show the audience what you got. Kiki. Smita. How squishy is it? Squeeze it. Whoa.
There's a lot of goop in
My
it.
turn. Is it mine?
Oh wait. Can I open yours?
Find mine. It's on this side. I got the same exact thing that Nina got.
Did you get a potato one? Oh. I thought you got it already.
If I get this one, I'm gonna trade with Nina.
Mommy,
Yeah?
I did actually get the potato.
You didn't get
Give
the
me a
potato?
minute.
Can I
I
see it?
did.
Oh, he's cute.
It's a cat.
Why is it that every time I come at this intersection, there's 600
This-
cars coming through and I can
This
never get
actually
out?
is a
All right.
I have so many stickers on mine.
Oh, come on.
That's so cool.
Everybody's getting on my nerves.
Then just hit them.
It does not work that way. No, he was in a turning lane only, and then when I started to go, he's like, oh, I'm going to change my mind.
Water! Why would we go around and around like that?
Okay.
Let's call it roundabout.
Imagine if I fail this one.
Allah, are you filming yourself?
Yes. So close though.
Okay, I'm not.
What?
Hello, I'm not gonna look.
Ah!
Hello, I'm not gonna look. My leg. I got
Did I get the one that eats too much water? Got this thing over here. I got the water. I got the watermelon.
Hey, that's perfect for you. You like watermelon.
Yeah.
You think if we cut it in half, watermelon will come out?
No.
Are you guys going to open your candies you got from 7-Eleven too?
Nina already did.
When? Oh. Never mind.
Watermelon cake. Wait, I'll let you squeeze mine if you let me squeeze yours. Yours is smaller than mine. Mine is a lot fatter.
Oh, yours is a watermelon. I like watermelons too.
Does it have seeds or is it seedless?
It doesn't have seeds.